So this is a problem that plagues a ton of people, which is the invalid parameter thing on TikTok. Now this can happen for a few different reasons. A majority of the time, the reason why this may be happening is because your internet connection is faulty. Either TikTok is down, TikTok's outdated on your device, or maybe there was some really weird issue on the back end that TikTok had temporarily. That's probably fixed by now. So the first thing I'd recommend doing as of this point is making your way over to your App Store application. So whether you're on Google Play, on Android, or whatever, just open up your App Store. For some reason, it looks like we're having another internet connection problem here. And all you want to do here is you just want to update your specific TikTok application. So once you make your way over to your App Store, I don't know why it's taking me so long, you want to search up the TikTok application and you just want to go and update it. Majority of the time, that's probably all you have to do. And in my experience, whenever I had any issue, by updating the application, it pretty much fixed it itself. So go ahead and update the app, and that should end up fixing it for the most part. Now, if that doesn't fix it, another thing you may want to check is your actual internet connection. So make your way over to your internet application, your settings application. You want to go into your Wi-Fi settings, and you just want to make sure everything looks good there. Sometimes there can be some issues, like I mentioned before, so just make sure everything looks good. Connect to a proper internet connection. If you're able to make your way over to your app store and everything loads up, then you probably have an internet connection that's suitable for everything else. But for some reason you're having issues, that may be another thing you want to look at. Now another thing on top of that is actually seeing if TikTok is down. So what we can do is we can make our way over to one of my favorite websites, which is downdetector.com. Now what this specific website does is that it actually showcases to you things that are actually down right now. And a majority of the time, if TikTok is down, it's going to be one of the first applications from the top. So all you have to do is go ahead and search through here. If you see TikTok on the top ones, then it's probably down. But if you don't see it up top, like if you have to scroll this down and it's still not working, well then that's probably it. And it's probably an issue with, the TikTok backend and maybe your internet connection. So that should end up fixing it for the most part. If you're still having issues, just keep trying whatever you were trying originally on TikTok, and that could end up fixing it for the most part. So that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.